Hi, in this video we'll explain how to install Drupal 9 with Composer using Pantheon platform. So first we need to create an account, then we log in, then we go to sites and we create a new one, and we go to Drupal with Composer. After that we put the name of the website. And we click continue. Now we go to the dashboard and we install the Drupal website. So click save and continue. So now we have our Drupal website. If we need to extend it or to add any module or custom module, we need to clone it. So we go to our dashboard and we copy the Git URL, the Git link, and we go to projects where to need to clone it, and we paste it. So now we have access permission problem. In order to solve it, we need to generate SSH key. So we generate SSH key. So this is the documentation how to generate and add SSH keys. So we need to open the command line and add the SSH keys keygen and without passphrase. And we order to show it, we can use this command line. So and now we need to put it in the SSH keys. Go to personal settings and SSH keys, get started, and we put it, save. And now and now we add the SSH keys. So we can try. Still we have a problem, no matching host key type found. So we go to documentation, the bottom, maybe we can apply this solution, no matching host key, key type found. Now we'll try. Oh, now it works. Okay. So now we done of clone our project, and now we can check the code. So we have all thing. So we back to our project. So now if we want to extend our project or to add any module, we can add Simple OAuth. Can with this. Okay. Okay. Now we can clone. We can install this. We have this problem. Okay. Now if we check, sorry, if we go to modules, we can see the new contributed modules installed. Now we need to push the module. So get status. Okay. Get add composer.json. Get add composer. Before we add it, So model. Before we push it, we can check that the model is not exist. Not exist. One thing we want to add is the PHP version 8. If we back to pin the on, add version, we can add here the PHP version. So add a line PHP version 8. That's it. So git status git add pin the on dot yaml git we can check the PHP version in report status report. PHP version is 8, and that's it.